Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Advance. Today we are diving into the world of secure and high performance web hosting using AWS. Especially we will be talking about how to host a static website with S3 Bucket, CloudFront and Route 53 to ensure both security and speed for your users. All right, let's start with a quick overview. So hosting a static website has never been easy with AWS. And today I am going to walk you through the steps to set up a secure and performant infrastructure. We'll be using AWS S3 Bucket for the storage, CloudFront for the content delivery, Route 53 for domain management, and AWS certificate to generate the SSL certificate for the secure browsing. So this is a little bit how the infrastructure will look like. Before we dive in, you may be wondering why static website. Well, static sites are fast, more cost-effective, and they provide a more secure environment compared to dynamic sites. Plus, with the right AWS services, we can achieve near instantaneous load times. So let's just go start with the S3 Bucket. Start to configure S3 Bucket. So you need to open your console. Okay, so let's search for S3. Okay, have here, right click, open. Okay, so we have Amazon S3 open, create pocket. So we leave the region intact. General purpose, intact, the pocket name. We're gonna say I'm just gonna give L Tech Engineer. That's the name of my domain name. So I'm just gonna give my domain name the pocket name. You can give whatever name you want, so it doesn't matter. So we're gonna disable ACLs. So, and then you can just go ahead and create here, just go ahead and create, right? Create pocket. So that's the first thing to do, create a pocket. And then you open your pocket, you just create, we're gonna upload all the objects here. So all the objects will be loaded here. So let's go here. So I have all the code, the object here on my local machine already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave my GitHub link of this object on the description box. So that way you guys can just go and clone it, and copy, drag and drop here. So really easy. So it's already there. I'll just drag and drop. So the next thing I have to do is click on upload. It's uploading. It's a huge file. You're gonna take a little while. I'm still here up to 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna pause the video and then come back when it's finished. Okay, so all our objects are loaded. So we can see here, and then after load all the code, I can click on OK and start to configure the security, the properties, and all those good fun stuff. So let's start with versioning, right? But with our pocket versioning, so we need to enable that and click on save. After that, we need to do what here? we need to go all the way down to static website hosting. We need to enable that as well. And then our default, you just enable this and leave all the rest, enable by default. So, and then our default file we gonna load is index-html, and then the error files that will be appear whenever an error we have an error. It's gonna be the same file, index-html by default. So after done with this, we just click save. So at this point, we should be good. No, yeah, we have permission, right? You need to set the permission. So here you see block public access. So it's on block public access. So that means the public cannot access this pocket. We need to enable that. We need to disable that first, so that way the public can have access to our pocket. And it basically is just the secure S3 pocket through MAI policies. So yeah, and we need to save. We need to confirm, right, acknowledge that we give the access to the public for the pocket. So that's good. And what else here? So I'm thinking we good here, right? So we have a policy here. We need to we need also to set up the policy here. So I just copy and paste the policy here that we customize, right? So here you just need to copy the same thing based on your code, and you need to make sure that you have the same name as your pocket name here. Mine is ltechengineer.com. That's my pocket name. So, and then you just click save. And then that's it. So at this point, we should access our application online, right? You just grab this link. You go on the static website hosting. You grab the link, you paste on the browser, and good. We have our web content here, but it's not secure and it doesn't use CloudFront. So the next thing then we need to do is configure our CloudFront distribution, which is the edge location. So to do that, you go back on S3 Pocket, on the console, AWS console. You type CloudFront on the search bar, CloudFront, and then you click here, CloudFront. Okay. So then we need to create, and then first thing we need to do here, we need to give the name of the distribution. So the name of the distribution I'm going to give, so it's going to be my domain name. Okay, so I don't have any domain name set here yet. Oh yeah, I have it here. This one, we're going to select this one, the domain name of our S3 Pocket, and then we click here, and then we click it here. So we're gonna leave this one and like that. So you're gonna go down. So here we need to, let me see if we need to delete this one. Okay, so yeah, Okay, so the path we leave blank, right? This path we leave blank, and then so the name of we leave this one blank as well. Okay, we need here to leave this as no. This one need to stay no. Enable origin shield no. The path we need to leave everything like this, but here we need to redirect the HTTP protocol to HTTPS. The method we need to leave like that, and also what? Okay, the card we need to leave like that. Okay, yeah, pretty much that is exactly what we do. It needs just to follow exactly what I'm doing here. And here web application firewall, so we need to select do not enable, because anyway in the work place the company most of company enable this one because it's the best secure way, but because it costs money, I don't want to do that for myself. So the rest should be good. And then we need to, okay, so I don't have any SSL create yet. So let's just create a new one. So I'm just gonna go, just to create a certificate, just click here, right? And then you're gonna redirect you to a new page. You click next, you put the domain name. The domain name is LTech engineer. So you have to put your own domain name, and then that's it. To generate the certificate, we're going to generate the SSL certificate. It's a secure SSL stand by a secure software layer. Okay, so we have that pending here. I'm just going to delete this one. So just going to delete that. Copy and paste. Delete. It doesn't. Let me delete that again. Second one. Delete. Right. Fairly. Anyway, so it's there. Anyway, we're gonna use, right? So that's this issue already. So that's how we create a certificate. So it's issue, certificate is issue. We can select that here. Need to refresh first, refresh, then select one. I'm just going to select the first one, and then after that, that's all. We need to create your CloudFront distribution. So it looks like something's happening here. One or more of C names you provide already associated with another. Okay, so it seems like maybe okay, so it looks like it's already in use. I'm just gonna remove that, right? Just leave like that, so that way you don't have the trouble here. So okay, good. All right, so it's there. We just create our CloudFront. We can copy this link and try to access that from the web browser and see. Let's see. Okay, it's not there yet. Why? Because it's deploying. Amazon AWS is deploying the application. So we just need to wait. It can take like a couple minutes. I don't know exactly how many minutes. Just gonna pause the video very quick and then come back when it's all deployed. Okay, it looks like something is happening here. If you see here, this is the link from the CloudFront we paste here, and we have our application up and running here. Okay, sorry guys. And so now, if you see here, the link is not secure. Oh, it's secure? Why? Oh yeah, it's secure because yes, we already block our SSL here. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, you see this name, right? Nobody can, pretty much remember this name. we need now to serve the website using a custom domain name with the Route 53. So to do that, we need to map this URL to our custom domain. Right, so to do that, we just need to open the console again, open our Route 53 console here, we have it, and I already have my domain name here with the record, right? So I don't have to stress about that. So I just need now to create the record for Cloud. Oh, what is that? I don't see it. Okay, so yeah, I already have my domain name registered here. So in the hosted zone, I need now to create first the domain name, the subdomain name. I just want to leave the same domain name because if I need to provide a subdomain name, I also need to get that secure, but I just want to leave like that and go here, enable this the alias, because I don't want to use the API. I want to use the CloudFront distribution application. So I'm going to have to select that, the route traffic is the CloudFront, and then the distribution is the CloudFront. This is the link of the CloudFront. You remember this was somewhere here. We got that, so we're good. And then we can just go ahead and so we just create it here. So just make sure that if you have the same record name, you cannot have two record names with the same type. So if I want to create another one, I have to create the AAA or the CNAME. But depending on what service you are using, we can only use any type of record. So I just create a record, and my domain name Tech Engineer is mapped with the CloudFront link. So if the user hit this URL, it's gonna redirect to this URL and the application will appear. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab this link. I can grab here or just select here, come here and add it. Then go to the browser, this, and have our application up and running. So, okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope it helps somebody. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. I will be really happy to answer. See you in the next one. Bye bye.